How to delete missed calls in Facebook Messenger. Deleting missed call notifications in Facebook Messenger can help keep your chat history clean and organized. So, in this video, I will show you how to delete missed call notifications on your mobile device. So, first thing first, open Messenger. Then make sure to sign in on your Messenger account. Once you have logged in on your Messenger account, then you have to locate the conversation and open the conversation containing the missed call notification. As you can see, we have got missed audio calls and the missed video calls as well. So if you tap and hold the missed audio call notification, then we don't get the option of delete or remove or anything. So simply what we can do is call back this user because there is no any option to remove or delete. When you go back on the previous version, on this chat section, you were able to find out the particular icon for calls at the bottom of the screen, which was the next to chats. If you want to get that, you can also get the old version of Messenger, where on that call section you would have got the missed calls or the calls that you have been received or you have called back to any users where you were able to choose that particular calls and manage it, but in this updated version we don't find it. Simply what we can do is you can simply tap and hold this particular chat and you can tap on this and delete the entire chat. So if you want to clear multiple missed call notification or clean up the chat entirely, you can do is simply the easiest way is to delete the entire conversation. So you can tap and hold the particular chat and delete it. So that is how we delete the missed call notifications on your device.